Okay, so this is an assembly video for the I Missed You Popup card. These are the cutout. See the score line here, and for this one, the score line right below there, here. Those are where you fold. So let's start with the easy one first. This one, there's one straight line here, the score line. So just fold it along the line. Just like that. That's the outside piece of the card. And if you have a hard time folding a line like that, it helps if you have like a long flat stick like this, and you can just put it where the line is and then fold along like that, so that it helps you fold a straight line. Okay, this one is done. Now this one will be the tricky one, because you have to pop the word out so that it looks like a 3D. So the easiest way to pop the words out is to actually work from behind like this. Again, the score lines are over this side, so I'm gonna fold this straight line first, right on top here. Flip it over and then just slowly press it like that. Don't rush. You're gonna need to do this like at least 2 times before a complete fold. So just slowly like that, pinch it like that. Don't pinch all the way, just make the line show up slowly like this. And be careful not to accidentally fold all the way out here, because we want to keep this line without any fold over here. See over here? The line is only from here to here, so try not to fold on the outside. So once you fold it on this, flip it over. This one is the easier one, so there's a one score line straight like that over there. Fold back like this slowly. Again, avoid folding on the outside like that. Just gently press down like that. It'll fold right on the line for you. And if the here is too tight, so you may need to open this one like this up, so that you don't accidentally fold the outside like that. Okay, again, this time you flip it to the back again. Now we're gonna press the bottom. See the score line here? Flip it around, press out like that. Again, when you fold, when you do the pinch there, make sure to not make the fold outside on the left and the right here, because we want to keep that straight so your card will look much nicer. Like that. So just slowly, just pinch it a little bit at a time. Okay, so as you can see, I have a little bit of fold over here and here and here. So now we're gonna need to fold. See the line, the score line here, and also over here. If you need to see it, you need to pinch like this with your nail like this, so that it guides you where to fold it. But I find that is easier if you just flip it around and use the pinch technique again, just both sides like this, and then you just right here, just slowly, don't go and bend all the way, and same over here. So just pinch it like that, make sure it's right where the score line is. Okay, now that you have done the I guess 30% of the fold, because they are only just slightly folded on all the lines, you start over. This time you want to pinch it a little bit more. Like that. Again, flip it over and pinch it a little bit more. Flip it around from the back. Again, the fold line over here, fold line over here. Okay, so it's almost complete. See, it looks like this now. Okay, now you want to do it slowly like this on this side. Just bend it like that, and then try to hold this. Just like that. You can play around with however you like. Just make sure that you can fold it completely. So since I'm at an awkward angle now, so it's harder for me to actually fold it because it's on camera right now on an opposite direction. But yeah, just keep going. Just keep on folding like that. Eventually it's folded enough for it to pull all the way like that. Just flip around, make sure I didn't bend anything. So it looks like it's almost flat. Okay, now you go ahead and you flatten it. Again, don't rush, just apply more pressure each time. There, it's completely flat folded, and when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay. Okay. So now you want to put the card together. It should look like this. Okay, what I do is that I'm gonna use a tape runner. You can either apply the adhesive on this side first or on this side first, and that's up to you, but for me I find it easier to do it on this side first. And this is the tape runner that I'm using. It doesn't have to be this one, but I find this one will work the best.
Double-sided tape.
Okay, when I apply the adhesive, I want to go as close to the edge as possible. Make sure you have one here too. Okay, so let's have a closer look where I apply the tape. this one. I made it a bit too out, but that's okay. See, just fold it back in. Just pull the adhesive back inside. Okay, see, I applied the adhesive on all the way down here, from here to here and here. So make sure the adhesive is not visible when you open on this side. Okay, now you're gonna have to put it in here. So the card is gonna open like this, and this one is gonna open like this, so that the words are open in the right direction. So it goes in like this. It's right in the middle like that, and then slowly fold it in and just let go. Fold it. There, this is half done. Okay, now it's even easier because the other side is already lined up for you, and continue applying the adhesive. Like that, just the edges. You can add adhesive in here if you want, but I don't think it's necessary, and have made many cards like this and without having to apply extra adhesive in the middle, so it works fine without it, so I don't have to waste more adhesive like that. Okay, this step is important. You don't want to just fold it over like that. You want to go and open the card like this. See, this here about a little more than 90 degrees. Just keep the card open like this and hold it, and with this side you slowly push it down like that. Like that. Okay, it's done. So 3D look. That's it.